Power. Insane Dre the millionaire. Yeah. Paper route empire. Yeah. Money, power, respect. Yeah. Money, power, respect. Yeah.
16 zips.
Hey. Rolling up some killer, pouring up some raw. Who was that just passed by in that drop top? Oh, this doubt. When I was 9, my cousin showed me a whole brick of salt. 15, I started running in and out my mama's house. Hey, I seen a lot of shit I never was supposed to see. For real. On top of the world right now, this where I'm supposed to be. Worldwide trap nigga, you just locally. If she ain't got a fat ass, then she can't get close to me. The hottest nigga in the game, and I'm the CEO. These lame ass rappers remind me of CB4. I fuck with you, but don't trust you. Diamonds dancing like Usher. My nigga straight out the gutter. Artillery came from Russia. Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. Yeah. Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. Hey. Money, power, respect. Yeah. Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. Hey. Money, power, respect. They ain't gotta like me, but I guarantee they gon' have to respect me. My bitch said I know you, bitch, but don't neglect me. Okay. New retro Jordans, I'm rockin', come out next week. Hey, hop up in that Porsche and drive it like it's stolen. Knocking bitches down at random, call it bowling. Police patrolling, choppers with drones we holding. My weed so potent, I forgot I had opponents. Young nigga hungry, I got it, but still act like I'm starving. Got on a lot of gold chains and throwback Charles Barkley. I'm sipping syrup like DJ Screw, smoking like Bob Marley. I'm trying to see 100 mil, they wanna see me in the coffin. Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. Yeah. Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. Hey. Money, power, respect. Yeah. Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. Hey. Money, power, respect.
Snapback. Got much.
My feet can touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away.
Tryna stay afloat, gotta tell a rapper industry cause they don't know. Keep protection on me everywhere I go. There's a lot to sign up for, yeah I know. Yeah I know, there's a lot to sign up for, yeah I know. Yeah I know, so you wanna be a dope boy, yeah I know. You ain't fucking with no broke boys, yeah I know. So you wanna put the grind in, yeah I know. Catch your case, do your time, yeah I know. Pussy niggas go hang, yeah I know. And real street niggas go always real late, yeah I know. I'ma be great, yeah I know. Yeah I know. You supposed on the A block, I was dead broke and they missed that, yeah I know. Niggas standing on me, try to flex on me, now it's mixed match, yeah I know. Niggas down talk me, I'm a bitch, nigga this, I'ma get whacked, yeah I know. Keep some on me for the get back, click like shit's black, yeah I know. Young nigga got AKs, 10 Glocks, lunch jocks, Big Macs, yeah Joe. They ain't believe, thought I wasn't gon' be shit, be rich, yeah I know. Never gave me shit, got it all on my own, nigga G shit, yeah I know. I smoke me 2, 3 to the dome, soon as I'm alone. Just thinking about my life, I'm happy that I made it home. Cause Lord knows I've been doing wrong out there all day long. But Lord knows I'm just trying to put all of my people on. Lord God knows I got some issues, miss all of my people gone. Long live King Cap, I miss you, wish you could just hit my phone. How we used to pull up on me, pull it up, let's get it on. Well, the OG smoking blunts, the OG, we just flipping gone. Gotta watch for cops trying to dodge them high speeds, no, we got the chrome. Why you couldn't just hide your chrome on that day, man, I miss you, dog. Now we down here rocking out, no talking, you know you my dog. Now you was my nigga, they ain't know you like I knew you, dog. Matter of fact, most of these niggas really ain't know you at all. Niggas out here talking, running their mouth like you wouldn't shoot it off. Niggas out here riding on their high horse like you ain't shoot it off. Like you went out round with that torch, trying to get on and let that score. Like you went out 5 pipes to that porch, through the ops, niggas just bored. Might as well lay it all out there on the table now since you ain't here no more. I lost my bro right before my tape was out, yeah, nigga going crazy now. It's like a boys got the shit coming in by the pages now. Got me feeling like I made it now. I made it way out some shit that I fucked around, made it happen. Stayed focused and I made it happen. Even doing shot rock, I be riding around crazy ratchets. Got me wishing that I stayed in Cali. Ever since that day, and even before, had that bitch everywhere I go. But ever since that day, I think of you ain't telling me I need that. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Tryna stay afloat, gotta tell the rap industry cause they don't know. Keep protection on me everywhere I go. That's 11 side enough, oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. That's 11 side enough, oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. So you wanna be a dope boy, yeah, I know. You ain't fucking with no broke boys, yeah, I know. So you wanna put the grind in, yeah, I know. Catch the case in your time, yeah, I know. Pussy niggas go hate, yeah, I know. And real street niggas go always relate, yeah, I know. I'ma be great, yeah, I know.
You blocking the fuck out. That ass 30 minutes, shit. You small. Damn, stop playing. Oh, yeah, this is our crib, too. We ain't business. We at the crib. We ain't at nobody else shit, man.
Yeah. I bet they fucking with me now. If they hating, it probably won't help that I've been fucking they bitch on the down low. Motherfuckers wonder why I always switch the sound flow. Don't overthink his out, get up off of your ass and down low. I've been working my ass off, stepping to me homie, you gon' be gassed out. Ain't talking no mascara when I say that I lash out. Been out of cash, only a matter of time I cash out. You gotta be patient on the road to riches, no fast route. Never had a doubt, this shit's fake. Playing offensive bitch trade, dropped the greatest hits album and called it a mixtape. My shit's great, greatest of all time if I continue to grow at this rate. Studied the game and I followed the template. You think I'm already cocky? Well shit, wait. All this hot air these niggas is blowing, ain't no way my head won't inflate. I'll admit it, I'm a dick, but fuck these bitches love it. If she ain't about to suck it, then fuck it, that bitch can suck it. Ain't with the fuck shit, don't ask for no feature, ain't got no budget. If the change isn't the subject, then I'ma just change the subject. This is for my brothers, got half a dozen, still out there hustling. Won't have the bees in the trap that much longer, they know I'm buzzing. Real niggas, so even when I'm stunting, they never come around fronting like I owe them something, cause I don't owe them nothing. I do this from the kindness of my heart, the finest from the start. A motherfucking star, how you think I keep shining in the dark? Trying to get paid in full, this is a business, bitch, we making moves. Fuck your feelings, I'm just out here doing what I was made to do. I know I can do what Jake can do. Me needing you is beyond sayable. Get sent to the left, you get to thinking you're irreplaceable. I play it cool, a king, yeah, I always made the rule. A rebel wasn't made for rules. If they would've told me to drop out, I probably would've stayed in school. Broke as fuck, but I paid my dues. Played the fool far too long, now I'm playing fools. DOT, we all dope, kept pushing, never lost. Don't mistake my kindness for weakness. Get to thinking it's all jokes and get your jaw broke. Ask the people around me, that y'all know I'm nasty. I'm my own competition, there ain't no way that you can pass me. You think this verse is crazy, this shit is trash. If you ask me, I wrote this shit, I was fast asleep. Castro the catastrophe, the best I have to be. My condolences if you after me, that'll be sad to see. Lyrical factory, you should happily have a seat. I can tell you're weak, like a born paraplegic, bitch, I never felt defeat. I can't help it, heat the fuck up and melt the beat. I'm sorry, Obi, but I'm the one Kenobi, the one and only, you can never clone me. Fuck your favorite rapper, cause everything that they've done is phony. This industry fake, I'm telling you, cause no one ever told me. Life's a bitch, I made her drop to her knees and forever blow me. Ain't none of these bitches loyal, behind your back they'll sex your homies. And I can't lie, having no love and only sex is lonely. But no chick is yet to show me that they don't only want a piece of the pie. So I just fuck them, then leave them, then I stay on top of my fucking cheese just like some pepperoni. I bet they fucking with me now. If they hating, it probably won't help that I've been fucking they bitch on the down low. Motherfuckers wonder why I always switch the sound for. Don't overthink it's out, get up off of your ass and down low. Fucking with me now. If they hating, it probably won't help that I've been fucking they bitch on the down low. Motherfuckers wonder why I always switch the sound for. Don't overthink it's out, get up off of your ass and down low. I'm on when you on one, two. Off a cup of drink, a couple blunts too. It's like 100 of us, only one room. But if she got friends, fuck it, tell them come through. Pop a bottle in a penthouse, stunting like it's my shit. Really, it in my friend's house. But fuck whoever ever did doubt. Heading to the money road, the richest bitch, I'm in route. I did it myself, give a fuck if you feeling me, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I've been on my own dick, don't listen to the radio, I be bumping my own shit. It ain't the money calling, then I'm hanging up the phone quick.
The person you have dialed.
Yeah, don't overthink it if you DOT a player. Yes, indeed, I cannot give you TLC. R.I.P. the left eye, from the East Coast, but here's something for the West Side.
White Coast back to back, James Brown, a lot of soul. Leprechaun with the wrist, I'm whipping up a pot of gold. I don't fuck with drama, nor talking, fuck the back and forth. If a nigga snitch, get the hammers and play whack-a-mole. I wanted some of her, she wanted some of me. But she gotta take a jet to the 313. I don't fuck with losers.